what's to Barrier Schools. Send your kids to Barrier Schools, a place to realize your dreams. Barrier Schools. Send your what's to Barrier Schools. Send your kids to Barrier School. There's no other place like Barrier Schools.
Good morning, pupils at home. Mr. Fortune, your music teacher. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. Welcome back to another class from the Burial e-learning faculty. So, now today we're talking about a topic called the names of the lines and spaces in the treble staff. This class is for grade 2. The topic again, the names of the lines and spaces in the treble staff. We're going to know about the names of the lines and spaces we have on our treble staff. So firstly, let's get the diagram for the treble staff. Remember, the staff consists of 5 horizontal lines. Okay? So, we are referring to the treble staff in particular, so we have our treble staff here. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the names of the lines. Okay, so let's pick out the lines. This is line 1, line 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 lines. Now, the first line is called your E line. That's E. Second line is your G. Third line is your B. Fourth line is D. And then the last is F. So the lines are E, G, B, D, F. So we number them to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at that again. E, G, B, D, F. E as 1, G as 2, B3, and then D4, F5. So, to remember this quickly, we recite these letters as E, G, B, D, F, being every, that's E for every, G for good, B for boy, D deserves, then our F becomes favored. So to remember this, we use this acronym. Okay, every good boy deserves favor. This is again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Every good boy deserves favor. You can choose your own acronym actually. You can choose what you want to use to represent your letters. You can say every good boy deserves Fanta or anything, as long as you can remember it with this set words. For me, I would say every good boy deserves favor. So now we'll talk about the space of the treble staff. Okay, now as you can see on the board, we have 4 letters which represent the space. The first one is F. We have F, we have A, we have C, and we have E. Sorry, E as 4. That's FACE. Okay, so to remember this quickly, we can say, we can use this FACE. We can call this as one word to be face. Okay, you can call this at once as one word, face, or you could say FACE, break it down, fat animals can eat. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can call it face as one word. That's, remember the spaces of the treble staff. You can call it face rather. Or you should say fat animals can eat. And I believe it's actually true that fat animals can eat. So you could call it face or fat animals can eat. Okay, so now take note that the lines and spaces of the treble staff are named from bottom to top. Here, it is taken from bottom, that's the bottom part, to the top, not from the top to the bottom. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from bottom, or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces from the bottom, not 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and 4. Not this, not 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you count it upwards, not downward. Okay, so at this point we'll take everything again we've said from the top. We mentioned that the lines of this treble staff are E, G, B, D, F, which is taken from the bottom, E, G, B, D, F. And then we said that the acronym, or the set of words we could use to remember it like a sentence, would be every good boy deserves favor. Or you could say every good boy deserves Fanta. And now we also talked about the spaces to be 4 in number, which you could say FSCE as face, or you could say fat animals can eat. And now also we said that they are being counted from bottom to the top. So at this point we'll take the assignments. Here are your assignments. Now the first one says, what is the formula to remember the letter names of the lines of the treble staff? Of the lines on the treble staff. The second one says, what is the formula to remember the spaces in the treble staff? So I urge you to do your assignments and submit them appropriately. So at this point, we've come to the end of our class for today. Stay safe and goodbye for now.